Hey guys, Davin here at Brewbitz.com with this week's product of the week. But before I go into that, remember to like and subscribe to our channel and to this video so that you can keep up to date with all the other products of the week and all our other videos that are going to be coming out soon. Right, so this week's product of the week are the St. Peter's beer kits. And we've got 5 different varieties for you. We've got the Golden Ale, the Ruby Red, the Plum Porter, the Cream Stout and the IPA. 5 fantastic different beers for you to brew up. Amazing flavors, really good quality beers. And this week, until the 4th of May, using the code POTW, somewhere around there, you can get 10% off of these kits. And that includes any of that we sell out of and go on to pre-order, so you can pre-order them as well, and you'll get your 10% off these kits as well. Whether it just be one, whether it be half a dozen, whether it be one of each of the 5, it's up to you how you want to do it. But there we go. That's this week's product of the, that's really difficult to say, and it's first thing in the morning and I haven't had a drink yet. Right, that's this week's product of the week are the St. Peter's beer kits with 10% off using the code POTW. Cheers for now, happy brewing, and if you can see outside, enjoy the gorgeous sunshine we're having this week. Bye for now.